300, 26 carburetor, no, 26 Makuni. Metal spark plug, don't touch that shit. Not enough compression in it. Yeah, motorcycle, it works. So let's keep it. It looks fancy on the bike, so not enough power like a motorcycle to spin it, you know. But it look nice though. Yeah, man. But I ain't think this is. But I hit about 45 on this bike. Aluminum frame. I built this frame from scratch. All it came with these pedals, the piece in here. So all I do is add on the pieces. I add the crank, I buy the crank. Actually, I get this crank from Speedboy, one of the Speedboy in the junkyard. Heavy duty chain. You know there's no fucking pulley, right? 32 sprocket. I don't usually say my size of my sprocket. That is a 32. The mag rims. Let me talk about tires. When you don't want, you gotta change your tires. These is like rubber, more rubber than neon. So you wanna get good tires. And I had these tires for a while. Still got the grips in it. They go on pretty good on the road though. Carbonate filter. The reed setup. No window piston. My metal spark plug holder, like I said earlier. A plate to make it work. I drill in the frame to mount the plate. Cause I used to have problems with my gas leaking, so I just leave it slack. I just lock tight right here, so no more leaking tank. You can get this cup plate on eBay. On eBay, you can get that from. Yeah, man. This bike is complete, man. Irie. I'm gonna keep this muffler on here. Styly, yes, as you were, people.